Weekend's here. Kids are here. We have all our helpers. Everybody's on deck to get some stuff done. We had another frost last night and I forgot to even check the forecast. Got complacent, didn't cover my tomatoes.
Yeah.
Even the ones that I picked on top of the rabbit hutches. So we are going to, they got hit with the frost. So they're going to turn to mush. They won't ripen now. These ones are already soft.
Not the green ones, but the red ones. There's lots of red ones.
Some of the red ones even. Look, they got it. But anyways, anything that's turned color we're going to pick and see if we can do something with it. But the green ones are going to go to bunnies and pigs today. We're going to, finally time, clean out the garden. Your peppers will have gotten hit. That sucks. Maybe they were protected enough there.
Here's what it is. You guys are going to help us rip out the peppers and stuff, right?
Hey, what do you got in your hand, Alex? Green tomatoes? Yeah. That one is a little bit red, right? We'll save that one because maybe it will ripen. No? Okay. Well, we were planning to do the fence tamping in our posts, and
it turned out it was a little bit, the soil was a little too wet.
That's right. The soil was a little too wet and it was not tampable. So we moved on. We collected some more apples off of our yummy apple juice tree, and everybody's working. What are you doing, Alex?
I am cutting them. I should be sitting, but I'm doing it sitting.
Okay.
And I'm collecting seeds.
You're collecting seeds? What are you going to do with those seeds?
I call them Tiny Jim seeds.
Tiny Jim is what you're calling these apples?
Yes, because Tiny Jim will have the best apples.
Yeah, so what are we going to try and do with these seeds?
I'm going to try and plant them, and Chris is going to help me just because he pretty much does everything.
He pretty much does everything? That's Chris, is it?
Only pretty much.
Only pretty much? So you're hoping to get some more Tiny Jim apples so that we have lots of juice next year. Well, not next year, but in future years.
Yes.
That's what we'll have to call this variety.
That's what I said. We're going to call it Tiny Jim.
No, I said.
Yes, I know. You said you wanted to call it Tiny Jim, and then I said that's what we'll call this one for good. So these apples are Tiny Jim apples. Jamesy is washing.
Yep, I have the most complex job because I have to do more than one thing.
Oh, and what do you have to do?
I have to fill up the buckets. So
yeah, for chopping. And then what is your other jobs?
You don't run out.
Yeah.
They don't run out.
Okay, so
during the extra time, I just wash them.
And then, yeah, so you got to wash. You got to make sure nobody runs out of apples.
Me too. And oh, James got me some more.
Yeah.
Good job, James. I didn't even know that you were there.
Liking the Hickorycroft teamwork. Hey, Chris?
2 buckets almost full, and we haven't been at this for very long.
No, and we picked another 2 buckets today, so hopefully that will be 30 gallons. 30 gallons is what we're hoping. 30 gallons of apples. And 5 gallons makes 4 liters of juice, so that should be 24 liters of concentrated apple juice. Sweet! The production line is working fantastic. Chris has moved on now to our chipping of the apples. And we're keeping going with cutting, so hopefully we can stay ahead of them.
The same at the same time. So they go this way. Like that. Now we need 2 more of the same. So like these 2 are the same.
They go the other way.
Right? It's like Jenga, but not. And we need 2 more. Then you see the ones behind you? Nope, we gotta do these guys next. See, these always go on the top, see? Because they go around this.
Oh, yeah, that actually makes sense.
All right, Alex, show us how you make apple juice. Okay, James, move over a little bit so I can see the...
If you want to try some more, you can put your thing underneath the thing.
Alex has some juice coming out.
Starting.
There, but just don't just put the glue in there.
Think you could be an apple juice maker, Alex? All right, James William.
Well, here, you grab a cup and I'll...
what do you think, James?
How's that sound?
Tell us what you think.
If I have more, if my other hand was empty, I would have done 2, and if I had more than 2, I would have done 5.
5 thumbs up? Okay, Alex, how much you got in your cup? That's some strong concentrate.
Fresh, sweet
Fresh,
apple
straight
juice.
from the apples. What do you think?
Lots of very sweet.
Very sweet?
Very sweet.
Mmm.
But it needs to be watered
That'll
down
make some
quite a
good
bit.
apple juice.
It's going to be watered down quite a bit.
Need it watered down? You can't handle the thick stuff?
Yeah, that's really
This one is very sweet.
Well, it's because these apples had frost now, right?
Can I do it,
Yeah,
Chris?
it's getting harder, but yeah.
Is it getting harder, Alex?
A little.
It's getting more squished down. That's okay.
The juice is coming. It looks pretty good.
Today you're going to see what we like to do
on the
farm.
You can go first.
Well, I like most of the things on the farm, but there's things that I like more than other things. I like the horses because riding, of course, and once they know you, they know you. And I love the barn cats. I just love cats. And I like the sheep. I like Little Double. That's what I like on the farm, but I also really like gardening and bunnies. I like gardening because I just love growing stuff. I like harvesting it. I like getting dirty. And I like the chickens too, just because of their beautiful feathers and eggs. I really like eggs. Your turn.
Okay. What I really love on the homestead is the bunnies. They're cute and they're friendly. Like, I know Blueberry, she is just a lover when she was a little girl. When she was a little bunny. She was just so she loved cuddles. I also like the chickens. They'll eat the flies. But on the other hand, there's a little bit of problems with them.
Yes.
How the mean roosters, when they,
Yes.
or especially around mating season.
Breeding season, babies.
One other thing that I do like, well, I like the garden. First of all, we get lots of yummy foods from it. And also, from time to time, some flavorings, but mostly food. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe,
Thank
and
you.
check us out on our next video.
Bye.
Bye.